You know what's crazy? Most people don't even realize they've been trained to stay broke. Not because they are lazy, not because they don't want success, but because somewhere along the way they picked up a mindset that quietly whispers, money is hard, rich people are greedy, I'll save what's left after I spend. That voice, the one that feels so normal, is exactly what keeps you stuck. Today I'm going to show you the 3 beliefs that keep people broke and the mindset shift that helped me escape them for good. Stay with me because if you fix this, everything about how you earn, spend, and grow your money will change. When I was younger, I remember hearing adults say things like, "We are not made for money. It's better to have peace than wealth. Money changes people." And I believed it. I thought money was this mysterious, dangerous thing, something that belonged to other people. But here's the truth no one told us. Money doesn't change people, it reveals them. If you're kind, money gives you rich. If you're generous, it multiplies your impact. If you're ambitious, it gives you tools. But if you secretly believe money is bad, you'll unconsciously push it away. That's the first trap most people fall into. They think they are avoiding greed, but really they are avoiding growth. So before we talk about the practical steps, we need to talk about the beliefs running in the background. The beliefs that quietly decide your financial future. Belief number 1, money is hard. This one is sneaky because if you believe money is hard to get, you'll naturally make it harder for yourself. You'll avoid charging what you're worth. You'll underprice your work. You'll overthink every opportunity. I used to believe success required a struggle. Like, if it didn't hurt, it didn't count. But I was wrong. Money isn't hard, it's just neutral. It flows toward clarity, not effort. When I learned that, everything changed. Instead of trying to work harder, I asked better questions. Who already has the result I want? What systems do they use? How can I create value without burning out? That's how real wealth starts. Not with hustle, but with clarity and systems. Making money isn't hard. Staying confused is. Belief number 2, I'll save what's left after I spend. This one keeps people stuck for decades. You work hard, you earn, you spend, and then you promise yourself you'll save next month. But next month never comes. The wealthy flip this mindset completely. They pay themselves first. When I started my Freedom Fund, I made one simple rule. 20% of every income goes to future me, not for emergencies, not for guilt, for opportunities. That tiny shift changed my entire relationship with money because every time I added to that fund, I wasn't just saving, I was buying back my freedom. I remember one specific day, an opportunity came up to invest in a small digital tool that could automate my workflow. Past me would have said, I can't afford it. But because I had my Freedom Fund, I could say, let's test it. That decision saved me hours every week. And those hours turned into more creativity, more content, more money. Don't save what's left. Spend what's left after saving. And belief number 3, wanting money is greedy. If you've ever felt guilty for wanting more, this one's for you. I see so many talented women, creatives, and dreamers sabotage their goals because they believe wanting wealth is selfish. But let me tell you something, that might shift everything. Money doesn't make you greedy. Lack of money makes you desperate. And desperation makes you smaller than you were meant to be. When you earn more, you expand your options, not just for yourself, but for everyone around you. You can support your family better, you can hire people and give them jobs. You can fund causes you care about. You can do all the things that broke people wish they could do. So stop seeing money as the villain. See it as a megaphone. It amplifies whoever you already are. Now let's fix it, because awareness without action doesn't change anything. Here's my simple money reset framework. For 1 week, track your emotional reactions to money. When you pay bills, when you buy something, when you talk about prices, what emotions show up? Write them down. Awareness is the first step to rewiring belief. Every time you catch a negative thought, flip it. I can't afford this. How can I afford this? I don't deserve this. What would it look like if I did? Reframing shifts you from victim mode to creator mode. Start small, build one system that earns or saves for you automatically. That could be an automated savings plan, a small service, a digital product, anything that builds leverage. Remember, the goal isn't to work harder, it's to make progress automatic. Here's the truth. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. They'll agree, nod, even comment "so true," and then go right back to the same patterns. But not you. If you're still here, you're ready to think differently. Because wealth isn't a number, it's a way of thinking. So start today. Challenge one belief, take one action, build one system. And if this message hit you, subscribe. Because this channel is for the few people ready to build wealth with purpose, clarity, and freedom. Your story with money isn't over, it's just being rewritten.